Yes, press that. Okay. Clink these. Yeah, clink this. And obviously move down the vacuum rod and give it a choice with joystick to adjust this angle for picking up the Dimm. We move this C4 with F key and H key to 662 and adjust the angle with the Z and C. And check. Right. And we have to reset the angle of it. So see now. And this position now is 0. And I'll click this. And to positioning of the socket and select the multi-mode. And top left corner and bottom right corner to pick up the socket, the Dimm. And top left corner and confirm, and bottom right corner this one and confirm. We move to the next step. We'll mount the Dimm on the board. Okay, we start to heat, move down this station, and now start to heat. Okay, and that's the process of how to mount the Dimm, which is the memory socket, the Dimm type, and also the component type should select the Dimm type. That's it. Thank you for watching.